Restroom Cleaning Service 602-714-7511 Phoenix. The benefits of professional restroom cleaning services. Professional restroom cleaning Phoenix 602.702.4092. Whether you are managing a business or are simply responsible for maintaining your own personal bathroom facilities, you may benefit from the services of a professional restroom cleaning service. These professionals can provide a wide range of services, including toilet renovation and repair, bathroom cleaning and sanitizing, and more. When you rely on others to clean restrooms, occasionally the task just does not get done correctly or gets a cursory went over or otherwise does not really clean anything adequately. Dealing with a company that offers janitorial services can often make daily cleaning much easier, and the services are often better than you can do on your own. Hiring people to clean restrooms for you can often provide your cleaning to be more thorough and rigorous, and in some cases, this extra work can actually help increase your profits. Using janitorial services may also free up your time for more important tasks, freeing you to attend to other matters in your business. If you have enough space, you may find it to be a good business move to hire janitorial services to regularly clean every surface of each restroom and change the linens and towels on a daily basis. Professional restroom cleaning is also a great option if you do not wish to pay for commercial cleaning services. Many times, your time is money, especially in a tight economy. A free estimate is often provided when you contact a service, and this allows you to see what they would charge for your particular situation. You will be able to determine whether this price is affordable and worthwhile for your lifestyle or if it is simply too much to pay for daily cleaning. Professional cleaning services often make sure that after the professionals finish doing their job, your restroom is again clean and safe for you and your family to use. This is a good investment, because it can help reduce the spread of germs and illness by making sure that everyone in the facility uses sanitary handwashing. If you want to make sure that you are putting your customers' health first, then this is certainly something that you will want to consider. Your personal restroom might also benefit from a professional cleaning service. If you are careful to wash your hands thoroughly before you enter the shower or another public restroom, you will be able to cut down on the spread of bacterial infections that can be picked up by people in these locations. This can help to protect your customers as well as reducing the risk of getting an unpleasant rash from the chemicals used in these areas. Your goal is to keep all areas of your business clean, and professional cleaning services can certainly help you achieve this goal. Whether you are looking to renovate your entire facility or just improve the cleanliness of one particular area, having a professional cleaning service to come in at least once a year can be beneficial. The most common place that you will find these services is in the public restroom. If you find that you have a reputation for being dirty and filthy, you should probably consider changing the culture of your business. By hiring a professional that is well trained in the use of detergents and cleaners, you can reduce the amount of bacteria that is around your establishment. DG&K Cleaning LLC 18670 West Larkspur Drive, Goodyear, Arizona, 85338-602-714-7511.